Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up an online Google Site store. So we're going to start with some type of template gallery so it will be easier for us. So for example, we want to create a store. So now let's choose, for example, a restaurant, and we're going to edit it to our liking. So now, as you can see, there's some pages here, which we can see right there. Now I'm just gonna delete the chef one because I'm not gonna use it, and also the menu one. Now we want to edit the home page. So let's, for example, create an online store. But I'm just gonna write down this. So now we want to, of course, edit this image and add our new one. But now let's go to the contact us page, and you can add your contacts here. But what we also want to do is go ahead and insert the page. So once we are on pages here, you're gonna click plus sign here and add a new page, which is gonna be called store. And here we're gonna add our products. But Google Sites doesn't really have like a payment method and so on and so forth. It would be really hard to have an online store with just Google Sites. So today we're going to use Ecwid, which basically helps you. You can basically build the whole website here and then embed it to the Google Sites. So let's now get started for free. Now, once you signed up here, you want to go ahead and add your products. So you're going to click on catalog and products. Now they have here a sample of product for me, which I'm going to use. Now, you of course want to delete these samples if you are adding your own products. So you just choose all of them and delete all sampled products. Now I'm going to leave it like so. So let's go to the product. Now here you can actually edit, manage the pricing, set compare price, bulk discount, pay what you want price. Now to upload images, you just basically click right there. This is a name, SKU, weight, and description. Now you can also add or edit a ribbon, which says, for example, free shipping. But as you can see, you need to actually upgrade. Where you see the star, you need to upgrade this Ecwid. Now there's also some attributes and options. So for example, options would be size. For variations, you need to upgrade again, but for the size one, you basically can add them here. Now, once we're done with that, what we can also do is go to the shipping option and set up shipping rates. And specify basically if you have a free shipping, just you do this, and that's that. And let's go back. So now we have all of these products. Basically you just added all of these products here. You may want to add a category, so you're gonna click right there. And now we don't really have a category here, so what you want to do, add a root category, and you're gonna name it. So for example, hoodies, and you're gonna choose a category image. I'm just gonna write down a test, just like so, and now let's save it. Now what we also want to do, again, add a new root category. So for example, we have a hoodies, we have toys. Again, I'm just gonna write down test and save it. And now we have two categories. Now, if you want to add a subcategory to every single one of those, you can. So for example, in toys, we can add some some subcategories, but as you can see, category limit is reached and now we need to upgrade. So I'm just gonna leave it like so. Now you want to add the products to every single category. So for example, let's choose hoodies, then category products, and assign them. So dog suit, jacket, costume, suit, sweater, and that's probably it. Add the products. Here it is. I believe you can add up to 10 products here, if I'm not wrong. Now here we can also add toys, just like so. Add the products, and now you have 2 categories with the products. Now, one more really important thing would be to set up payments. Now, as you can see, there is pay by cash. You can turn this off. Now there is a Stripe, which has a lot of options. So probably Stripe would be the best option, but you can also connect PayPal and have both of them. So just click connect and enable. Once you're done with setting up Stripe account, then we're gonna wait for this account to be onboarded and basically connect. And now we just set up Stripe payments. Live payments are not enabled, so we need to go ahead and contact Stripe. But basically, I'm just going to leave it like so. So I also recommend to add a PayPal here, and then you will have both payment methods. So you go back to the payment and connect PayPal here. Oh, and as you can see, the Stripe is enabled here. So also connect PayPal because people really like using PayPal. Now shipping and pickup, you want to click here and you want to add shipping methods. You just basically click setup, for example, DHL, and you set up your shipping method with it. For example, to set up rates with DHL, you can offer free shipping, conditional free shipping, flat rate, or custom rates. So it really depends on your product. You can offer free shipping over $30 and so on and so forth. So if you want to set up free shipping, you're just gonna click here. And now you can add the description, you can limit availability, you can show estimated delivery at the checkout and set shipping region. After that, you just save and finish. And here it is, your free shipping is enabled. So no settings, I didn't do any settings here. Now, another important thing would be design. So you want to design your product look. So there is a large, medium, or small option. So I'm just going to choose medium so I would fit more products. Now you also want to choose your images, how they will be displayed, square. Is it landscape, portrait, or I'm just going to leave it as square. And darken image backgrounds, I'm just going to enable it. And that's that. Now, once you scroll down, you can see product card details and layout. As you can see, there is, I'm just going to center everything. Product card frame, you can add a frame if you want, but I'm just going to disable it. It will look cleaner. Show product name, price, buy now button. We can actually show on mouse hover like so. Handmade product image, some other things, category, name, position. So we can leave it like this. So this is how it looks like. Now, product page layout. So you can edit here. There are a few options, as you can see. So which one fits you the best? Choose that one. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. Navigation and image gallery thumbnails would be vertical or horizontal. I'm just gonna leave it to horizontal because this looks great. And stock availability, sidebar. Basically, you can edit everything here however you like. storefront navigation and colors, and some other things. You can also create your CSS theme if you want. And now we want to insert it to our Google Sites. So to where it says sale channels, click on that. And here, as you can see, you can add it to your custom website. So now all you have to do is click learn more where it says custom website, and you need to copy this code to your, and once you have copied it to your clipboard, you're gonna go ahead to your sites, choose a page where you want to add your product. So I'm just gonna head to the store, click embed on insert mode, embed code, paste that code here, click on next, and then insert. And now you just need to bring it to the sides and bring it down, just like so, and do this until you see all of your products. And now this is how it looks like. Here are some categories, and now the featured products. This is how our store looks like. Now if we can actually go ahead and publish it. Now we can click a preview right there and look how our store performs. So here it is. Now once you click the product, here's how it will look like. Of course, you can change the fonts and so on and so forth, but you need to do this on Ecwid. And now the person can add it to bag. Here's your product description. And you can track orders here and so on and so forth. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.